In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal to QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have your PayPal activity flowing into QuickBooks so you can track sales, fees, and balances with less manual work. Before we start, make sure you're using a supported browser and that you have the right permissions in your QuickBooks account, ideally an admin role, so you can install apps without interruption. First, go to QuickBooks Online and sign into your company file. Give the page a moment to load fully. It helps to close extra tabs and pause any downloads so the app pages open quickly and smoothly. Next, head to the integration icon inside QuickBooks. Depending on your layout, this may look like an integrations tile on the Get Things Done page or an apps section in your navigation. If you don't see it right away, look for an icon that suggests Marketplace or Apps. Opening this area lets you connect QuickBooks with trusted services that extend your workflow. Now, click on Find Integrations. This takes you to the QuickBooks App Center, which is the official marketplace. Here, you'll browse or search for apps that sync data with your books, and you'll be able to review descriptions, ratings, and support details before adding anything. In the search bar, type PayPal. You should see the official PayPal integration appear in the results. Look for an app listing that clearly indicates support for QuickBooks Online. It's a good idea to quickly check the app's overview for compatibility notes, what gets imported, and any regional limitations. If multiple results appear, choose the listing that's directly maintained for QuickBooks Online and has current reviews. Before you connect, make sure you have an active QuickBooks Online subscription. The connection won't proceed without it. Once confirmed, select the Connect option on the PayPal app page. You'll be guided through a secure authorization flow where you allow the integration to access your PayPal data for syncing. It may ask about basics like the date you want imports to start or how to handle fees and categories. If you're unsure, you can accept sensible defaults and refine settings later. After confirming, the integration begins pulling transactions into QuickBooks so they're ready for review and reconciliation. That's it. You went to QuickBooks, opened the integration section, found integrations, searched for PayPal, confirmed your subscription, and connected. Give the sync a little time on the first run, and then check your banking or transactions area to see new activity coming in. If anything looks off, revisit the app's settings to fine-tune your preferences without breaking the connection.